think that the Floridian should get an award for rolling with the punches. So thank you so much. And I think thank you all for still with us during these 5 hours. I think that the goal was for us to visit the medical management of people with HIV as they age. And we did so by first inviting you to understand the science of aging and epigenetics and otherwise. And then let's see what we could do about preventing the conditions that come with aging, from immunization that Dr. Spark presented to primary prevention of cardiovascular disease that Dr. Longnecker presented. We went on to look at the frailty and how we define it, how it impacts our patients, and what we could do about that by Dr. Ellenson. And then by the end, we looked at aging in the context of cancer, and then finally, HIV aging and the brain. So we hope we're walking away with from this interaction with some deeper understanding of the impact of age on people with HIV and what we can do about it. Thank you so much. Your feedback is very important to us. Please complete the evaluation, and instructions for completing this evaluation and post-test knowledge assessment for today's course will be emailed to you by 5 p.m. Pacific time today. And we also want to invite you to visit other educational activities from the IAS-USA. This is a virtual course update on December 4th, and you can see all the topics that will be discussed there, from difficult cases to PrEP. And then we move on December 11 with chlamydia management updates and advancing STI management. And my favorite, no more FOMO. And in case you missed it, that we'll be discussing with Dr. Benson on the 15th of January. And we'll move on towards the end of January with drug-drug interactions, dosing formulations, and the pharmacology issue in people with HIV by Dr. Berger and Dr. Dong on the 27th of January. And then in February, managing ART in the setting of HIV drug resistance. And this is not Dr. Paul, but Dr. Paul Sachs and Dr. Marina Klein. So a lot coming your way, and this is towards middle March, the Scott Hammer Annual HIV Management course in New York. I think followed up by, I believe, the Atlanta course. There is on April 22nd in Atlanta, Georgia. And I think that should be towards the end of our offerings for the next 6 months or so. Thank you for participating, and we're looking forward to seeing you again in another educational activity from IAS-USA.